everyone. Today we're going to discuss the operations of the Ultima Pen. The Ultima Pen is a microneedling pen, and what makes this one a little bit different is you can put a syringe of whatever solution you're microneedling directly, clip it onto the pen, and as you are doing the microneedling, it automatically advances the fluid. So I'm just going to show you the key components of this and how to do it. So again, it's a wireless pen. It's rechargeable. You charge it overnight. To turn it on, you press and hold down this button, and it has 5 speeds. This is the lowest, or speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, and speed 5. And the color will change each time. To shut it off, you're going to just press and hold the button down, and it goes off. To turn it on, there it is. And this up and down is actually triggering the actuator where the syringe actually fits in here, and by pressing up it will push down onto the syringe, and it will kind of push out the fluid as you're microneedling. To basically load the syringe, you want to move the actuator up like so, so you can clip it in place. So again, press and hold it down to shut off. The kit will come with a sterile syringe. It will come with a microneedling 12-pin tip and tubing. And you just open up the sterile tip and the micro tubing. There's that. Here's the syringe. And these are the 3 components. The first thing you're doing is, this is actually a screw-on tip. So you just push it in place, and you want to gently screw it on, and you know, it should screw on very easily. You want to make sure the threads are properly lined up. Next, what you're going to do is, whatever solution you are going to be microneedling, in this 5 cc syringe, you want to draw it up to, you know, just a little under 5 cc's. You can do about 4.5, 4.75, and take this off. Just get the air out and prime it like so, and you kind of see how this clips onto here, but you may need to adjust the actuator. So let's do that so it's easy, and that should be perfect. And this just clips into place. And now, once the actuator abuts against this, when you're ready to go and you press the up button, it will advance the fluid as you're microneedling. Next step, you are taking this wider part of the tubing and putting it on there, and the other part you are basically slipping over this tiny port on the side like so. And then you can adjust the depth of it, going from 0.25, and if you turn it clockwise, it goes all the way up to 2, depending on what your applications are. So now this is ready to go, and again, you turn on by pressing the button, holding it. That's low speed, and you can see the sound of the motor will change. Now if you press up, this will start to push, and you'll start to see the fluid come out. And then, as you're microneedling, it will just put small amounts of the fluid on the area you're microneedling, and you're just going to be moving it. And you're just pressing the button down to advance the fluid. And so you'll see. And once you have enough on the surface, you can just microneedle. You don't need to keep pressing it, because once the surface is wet enough, it should become easier to glide. And that's the basic operation of the Ultima Pen. Hope that helps.